It's 1.8 at GCSE Math, adding and subtracting decimals. So if you have a whole number addition, let's say 32 plus 54, you would write the bigger number at the top, small number at the bottom, and you can just do column addition. 4 plus 2 is 6, 5 plus 3 is 8, answer is 86. And if, say, you had something like this, again, you put 29 at the top, 17 at the bottom, 9 plus 7 is 16, so 6 can carry 1, and 2 plus 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. And really, adding decimals works in the same way. You have 17.3 plus 10.2. Just like this was a column addition dealing with tens and ones, is exactly the same thing, but tens, ones, and tenths this time. So again, bigger number on top, and we do a column addition. 3 plus 2 is 5, decimal point always under the decimal point. 7 plus 0 is 7, and 1 plus 1 is 2, so it's 27.5. And as long as you remember decimal point under decimal point, you can basically do any sum. So if I have, say, this, it's important you do decimal point under decimal point. 3.86 and 1.4, that's effectively a 0 because there are no hundredths, so I'm adding them. So 6 plus 0 is 6, 8 plus 4 is 2, decimal points under decimal points, carry the 1, 3 plus 1 is 4, add 1 there at the bottom is 5, so 5.26. And of course subtraction works the same way as column subtraction anyway, so if I had 3.4 minus 2.86, decimal point under decimal point again, this is effectively a 0. Clearly we're going to have to borrow from here. 10 minus 6 is 4, can't do 3 minus 8, so we're going to have to borrow again. And then 13 minus 8 is 5, decimal point under decimal point, and 2 minus 2 is 0, so the answer is 0.54. And we can do one more. I have 2.46 plus 12.31 minus 8.412. Again, we've got sort of two sums going on. We've got this plus and this minus, so we'll deal with this separately. So we'll just say consider, let's just say we're dealing with half of it, 2.46 plus 12.31. And then again, we're adding them up. This is how I would set out my working in an exam. 1 plus 6 is 7, 3 plus 4 is 7, decimal point not to decimal point, 2 plus 2 is 4, and 1 plus 0 is 1. So this is 14.77. And then I would write an exam. So now we have this part here is 14.77 minus this 8.412. And again, I would work this out. Stick a 0 there to fill the gap in. 0 minus 2 we can't do, so we're going to have to borrow. 10 minus 2 is 8, 6 minus 1 is 5, 7 minus 4 is 3, decimal point and decimal point. 4 minus 8 we can't do, so we're going to have to borrow. 14 minus 8, 6. So the answer is 6.358, which is of course the answer to this initial sum. And that is all there is to 1.8. See you on 1.9.